On this episode of Southpaw Drones, we'll be taking this little bugger up. Good afternoon everybody and welcome to Southpaw Drones, and if this is your first time to the channel, thanks very much for joining us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and share the video as well if you would, and if you want to know every time I upload some new content, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Alright, so we are out here with the V930 from WLToys. It's a brushless helicopter. We're going to give it a bit of a spin. This is literally the first time I've flown it. I've never flown this aircraft before, so you're going to see it for the first time as well as I am. Alright, so here we are, ready to take up my birthday present, the V930 brushless helicopter. So we're going to connect the battery first, even though in the manual it says connect the controller first. That doesn't work. So we're going to connect up the battery, delete, set her down. Excellent, that is already automatically bound. You can see a little telemetry stream at the bottom there. You get your TX battery, your connection to the drone, the speed mode, that says mode 1, but it's actually the speed mode you're in, not the controller settings, so it's actually flying in mode 2. And then your trims, if you've trimmed your aircraft, trims up. I haven't actually looked at trimming this yet, but here we go. This is just going to be in rate 1. Wow. Responsive. She's lovely. Look at that. Well, she wants to climb. Let's give her a bit of forward. Oh, she flies fantastic. Now I'm not going to, since this is a test, just the first run, I'm not going to be putting her into speed mode 2 just now. Just going to be letting her fly around. Oh, she's sweet. She moves very, very well. The yaw's fast, you need a tiny amount of yaw. Oh, she's beautiful. Now, hopefully, we'll get a nice long flight time. It says 5 to 7 minutes on the box, but I've seen other reviewers get much longer out of her. So hopefully, we're looking at 10 minutes rather than 5 to 7, but we'll see. Look at her, she's beautiful. Now that is, I'm giving her a little bit of forward, but that is a hands-off hover. She is beautiful. Look at her. She's really quiet as well, actually, for a brushless motor. I was expecting a horrible scream, like a race drone motor, sounding like a sort of an animal in pain, but no, luckily not. Now the control range, I'm not entirely sure. I would say sort of a roughly 50 to 100 meters like a drone, but I'm not planning on flying this 100 meters away from me at all. There are no tricks or flips or anything on this aircraft. This is just a pure aircraft for flying. Oh, look at her go. She's beautiful. Really sensitive, but not overly sensitive. And she's got so much grunt. I'm not even giving her 40% throttle, and she's climbing and moving happily. You can hear the little servo kicking. Oh, she's beautiful. I'm so impressed with this little thing. Look at her go. She's so graceful. But with that brushless motor, she's got the grunt to get herself out of any oscillations or wind problems. I'm guessing that with this little thing is if I'm only giving it 40% throttle to get this performance out of her, I'm guessing that at speed 2 full throttle this would cut through 20-mile-an-hour winds. Oh, she's fantastic, guys. This is £40. This was so about $60, $55, and she is just beautiful. Comes with one battery, but it's a white loss C connector battery or low C connector battery, so they're incredibly easy to get hold of. You've probably got some from other drones. I know the petrol sitting below there runs exactly the same connectors, and that's got 500 milliamp hour batteries. They're a little large to fit into the bay of the battery bay of this helicopter, but I'm pretty sure we could rig something up, and there are larger batteries of the right shape available everywhere, really. They're really prevalent little things. Oh, she's so nice. Look at her go. And that climb on the turn is fucking awesome. Yep, this is a definite purchase, guys. If you like helicopters and you've played with like a 911 or anything remotely outdoor, this is the one you want to get. It's 270mm length, 80mm high, I think. She's just beautiful. Just the way it corners is, oh, look at that, you can save it so easily. It's just so responsive, and it's not trying to get away. It's not. Some helicopters, I've flown a couple that you give it ever so slightly too much throttle and it just wants to leave you and climb 500 feet and disappear. This is not doing that. It's pretty manoeuvrable. It is a six-axis gyro. I'm not going to be attempting any sort of stunts with this. This is just beautiful. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. Look at her, she's beautiful. pretty intuitive to fly as well. If you've flown a helicopter before, this is going to be no surprise to you. It handles beautifully. Oh, there's power. Right, so I'll have to check the video for a length of flight time there. But oh my god, that is the most fun I've ever had flying anything. Even, sorry Mr. Bolt B, but that even beats flying the Bolt B. Guys, if you're into little helicopters, or you want a beginner helicopter that's manoeuvrable but reasonably stable, get yourself one of these. This is awesome. Join us next time on Southpaw Drones.